It's me. Hi, I'm the Problem Daisy. Have you ever seen a sign made of plants? Today we introduce our new product, Plant Moss Lighter Sign. And the design of this product is very creative. The surface is a simulated moss plant, and the back panel is made of acrylic. When the switch is turned on, the sign will light up. The effect before power is turned on is vivid and interesting, and it is even more eye-catching after power is turned on. From the surface, it looks exactly like a real plant. Isn't it amazing? Special waterproof design, especially suitable for indoor and outdoor environments such as homes, weddings, supermarkets, flower shops, fruit shops, office, and so on. The content, pattern, logo, and the size of the sign can be customized according to your needs, and a 3 to 5 years warranty service is provided. Besides, we will provide you with installation-related drawings and guidance, allowing you to install it easily without worrying about after-sales issues, so that you can buy and use it with confidence. Send us your sign design to get a free quote. Remember to follow LCSIGN and learn more exciting content about signage. See you next time!